2021. This is all about leverage. So we're going to get something back from all the goodwill that we have created over the last couple of weeks. So by now, your influencers will have shared your content. They will have posted it on their websites. They will have shared it on social media. There will be some feedback for that content. And that response, that feedback should be positive. If you've done things right, if you've done a good job, you will have positive feedback. So you need to respond to every single comment that is posted on your content. You need to provide support to followers and the audience. You need to interact with them, engage. You need to be there. You need to be active at this stage, because this will continue to build goodwill going forward. The influencer who has taken a risk by publishing your content can see that you are there for their community, that you're sticking around, that you're dependable, you're reliable, you're trustworthy. So here you want to continue to build the goodwill in anticipation of asking for something in return. So to do that, we thank the influencer for the opportunity that they have given you. We tell them about your ebook, and then you give them a free copy. Next, you offer them a high affiliate commission, which is typically going to be 50 to 75% of every sale that they generate for you. So the reason we give them a high affiliate commission is because we want them to promote your book. So we don't start with a low ball offer and work up. This is not a negotiation. This is a request for help. So when you approach them, you give them the absolute best deal that you can think of. And this is because they want to make money. You want to make money. So you help them to do that. And they will help you to do it in turn too. Let me tell you, as someone who receives lots of emails every day from people asking me to promote their product, there is nothing worse than when someone asks you to promote their product but does not let you try it out first, when they expect you to pay to check out the product or use a free trial or something like that, and on top of that they offer you a low commission percentage. It's kind of insulting when you get lowball offers like that. So what you want to do is really step away from everyone else who is doing that, and you want to make your offer very desirable. The best way of doing that is giving them a free copy without expecting anything in return. Some won't promote you, and that's fine. I would expect the majority to promote you, and then you give them a high affiliate commission. I've had offers on digital products of 20%. People have come to me, they've said, I've got this ebook, I want to promote it, I want to sell it, I think your audience will love it. I'm going to give you a 20% commission if you promote it. And that has not included a free copy of the ebook. Absolutely no. I don't even respond to those kind of emails. But if someone comes along and knows my audience, knows me, and they have something that is absolutely going to be of value to my audience, then I will consider promoting them. You're on my email list, you're probably a YouTube subscriber, you know how often I promote, which is practically never. I never really promote other people's products because I believe that the majority of products out there just aren't up to scratch, really, if I'm being really honest. I don't believe that most of the products out there are beneficial to my audience, so I don't promote them. To find networks, affiliate networks that you can use to promote your product on. Well, we got the standard ones, which are clickbank.com, avantgate.com, Warrior Plus, and I think JVZoo are still active. That might not be the case for much longer. I can't. So we got ClickBank, Avantgate, Warrior Plus, JVZoo. These are the standard affiliate networks that will give you payment gateways as well, or allow you to connect with other payment gateways. They will give you the buy button that you put on your sales page. The sale will go through these networks. Your affiliate commission will be done through these networks. It's all automatic, and each one of these networks are free to join, so you don't have to pay anything up front, and they're really easy to use. Of these, the ones that I have the most experience with are ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and JVZoo. I have probably made more money through Warrior Plus than any other network, and that is because I'm a digital marketer. When I was running affiliate offers and doing the business model that I'm sharing with you today, this is really my starting point in affiliate digital marketing, was to promote affiliate offers and then to become a vendor and have affiliates promote my offers. So Warrior Plus was a perfect place for marketing. It still is. It's a really good network if you're in digital marketing. JVZoo also did pretty well on that as well. So the last thing that you need to do on days 19 to 21 is to give a free copy of the ebook to your friends and family. Anyone who might be interested, this is going to come into play in the next day or so. So moving on to the next day or so, day 22, we're going to look at building social proof. So I'll speak about that in the next vid.